This is Paul, the SDR guy, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to install GNU Radio Companion on Windows. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to download a program called Radio Conda. All the links will be put in the description. And we're going to a GitHub page. We're clicking on the latest releases, and we're scrolling down to the Windows 64-bit asset. Once we find that, we'll click on it and the download will start. It will take a while for this to finish. After the download completes, we'll go to our download folder and we'll double click on the installer. And we'll select next. We'll agree to the license. And this will take a while to install, so please be patient. Through the miracle of video, we can make the install complete very, very quickly. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to search for GNU Radio Companion. We're going to open that, and here you see the user interface, and we're going to create a flow graph that will test to make sure that this is working properly. So the first thing that we're going to do is search for a signal source. And when you find that, click on it and then drag it over, as you can see in the video. The next thing that we're going to be looking for is a throttle. Anytime you do not have actual hardware hooked up to the GNU Radio Companion, you must use a throttle. And so that is what we're doing right here. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to search for QT space GUI, G-U-I. And I'm not quite sure why that is not being displayed right now, but please bear with me. And here we go, it's working. We want to scroll down to the instrumentation section, and we will be wanting to use a GUI frequency sync. and we will be wanting to use a GUI time sync. So you just click on them with your left mouse button, keep the button down, drag and drop. Then you need to connect the arrows so you can see how that works here. Okay, we've made our very first flow graph. The next thing that we need to do is we have to save the flow graph before we can run it. And in the lower right-hand corner, then you will select Save. Now you can click on this button where it says Execute the flow graph. And here you go. Making it larger. So if any of you has used an oscilloscope, the top graph is showing us what the signal source looks like in the time domain. And below it, you can see what this same waveform or signal source looks like in the frequency domain. And everything looks good. We have successfully completed our test of GNU Radio Companion. And with that, thank you for watching. I'd like to ask you to please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. So have a great day, and our very next video we will use our RTL, SDR, and GNU Radio Companion to make an FM radio receiver.